Happy Friday, Elementary D. It is April 24th, 2020. You can see that up here. Today, as you guys know, we've been learning about plants. So, today you have an individual work that is called Parts of a Plant. Pretty similar to what we did on Wednesday, okay? You actually have two options for this assignment. You can label a real plant or flower or tree that you have at home, okay? So you would write these words on some papers and put them next to the parts of the plant, flower, or tree that you have at home, a real one, okay? Or, if you don't have a real one or you want to be creative, you can make a plant out of anything you have at home. You do not need to buy anything. Just be creative and create a plant, okay? So, you see, on this side we have an example. This is just an example. Yours does not have to look like this. So, you need to have the flower, the leaf, the stem, and the roots. You have to have these four things that are right here. This is going to be due by Tuesday, April 28th at 9 a.m. through Class Dojo, so make sure you send a picture, okay? Look at this right here. You do not need to put this in your notebook, right? You can't put a real tree in your notebook. That would just be crazy. You can't put a real flower in your notebook or it'll die, right? So just make something and take a picture of it. You don't have to keep it, okay? This does not have to go in your notebook. It doesn't have to be an arts and craft project like you see here, okay? It does not have to go in your notebook. I just need a picture of it so I know that you know what a flower, leaf, stem, and root are. Okay, so I want you to find something that has these four things or create one. Now, you have two options. You do not have to do numbers 1 and 2. You have to pick 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Do not do them both. You do not need to do them both. One more thing we need to talk about. You see here, please turn your work in on time, okay? I'm going to start sending you guys emails and messages over Class Dojo if we do not turn our work in on time, and they are going to start being out of 7, okay? So you guys need to make sure you are turning things in by the due date. I have been very lenient with you guys and allowing you to turn things in late. But starting on Tuesday, April 28th, we are not turning in anything late anymore. So make sure you upload it to Class Dojo by 9 a.m., okay? And of course, if something happens, if there's a reason you can't turn it in, that's totally fine. You just need to tell me, okay? So send me a message on Class Dojo and I will know. I will see you guys again next week on Wednesday. Have an awesome weekend and have fun creating your plant.